Hey everybody, Warden here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we're working on a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500HD 6.6 liter Duramax. We put a Cognito 4-inch lift kit on this truck, and they're really nice kits, come with really good parts. Keeps the torsion bars at stock height, but then lowers the control arm so you don't end up messing with your alignment angles at all. Minimal amount of fabrication involved with the kit, and came with really nice Fox shocks on all four corners as well. Also part of this kit are really nice cross-member drop brackets that helps keep everything in shape. They're high quality, high strength steel, nice painted a nice black. And there's also a really nice heavy-duty skid plate that helps support the differential. The differential ends up being dropped on this, so it keeps the CV axles nice and level, really minimizes wear and tear on your steering components and your suspension components up front. Any lift kits, suspension components, aftermarket shocks, anything you need, come on down to Mike's Off-Road. We'll be glad to fit you in and get everything you need installed on your truck.